Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Principle of refrigeration. In presentation, M. Atikullah, Chief Instructor and Head of the Department Technical Refrigeration and Air Conditioning RSC. Dhaka Polytechnic Institute, Tesgaon Industrial Area, Dhaka. Principle of refrigeration. Refrigerate means frozen, drying or storing heat. Basically, refrigeration from the word refrigerator or refrigeration what has come. Refrigeration means freezing or cooling or refrigeration. Refrigeration to say when by application of any external force or by water, any place, chamber, foodstuff, etc. are heat generated rather than absorbing heat from the source. Induction at low temperature method refrigeration or freezing methods say. Refrigeration methods are mainly of two types: direct cooling methods and indirect cooling methods. Two types based on heat convection refrigeration methods and conduction refrigeration methods. Direct cooling methods. Refrigerant methods are directly from air or water. He collects the heat of other objects, substance or place, though water and air. It is called direct refrigeration systems. This is vapor compression refrigeration systems. It is meant for equipments or compressor, condenser, evaporator, expansion device. Indirect cooling methods. In the refrigeration system, the refrigerant is obtained indirectly from air or water or from another object, substance or space or room, though water, air. Refrigerant indirectly. Convection cooling methods. In this method, the refrigerant is either gaseous or liquid. Completes the refrigeration process by absorbing heat. For example, evaporator in case of refrigerator or fridge. Heat absorption process from chamber air. Principle of refrigeration. Principle of refrigeration is a process in which heat is removed from a system and transferred to another. It is commonly used in food, preservation, air cooling, and various industrial processes. The principle of refrigeration can be generally explained as follows. This is absorption refrigeration systems. Its main parts or components: generator, separator, condenser, evaporator, hydrogen chamber, absorber. This is not used as compressor. Conduction cooling systems. Refrigeration is usually done by heat conduction, though solid in this method. The process is completed, for example, thermoelectric refrigeration process. This is thermoelectric refrigeration process, conduction refrigeration method. In this method, the refrigeration process is usually completed by conduction heat, though solid materials. This is thermoelectric refrigeration systems. Its main components: heat sinks, elements, ceramic substance. This rejected heat is cooling. This means supply is DC power source. Current application of refrigeration cycle. Refrigerator, freezer, water cooler, milk cooler, beverage cooler, soda fountain rail, ice cream cabinet, display cage, walking cooler, reaching cooler, ice maker, cone ice machine, candy ice factory, ice cream factory, ice plant, cold storage, fish preserver, processing plant, dairy farm, truck or transport refrigeration, room air cooler, central air conditioning plant, dehumidifier, incubator, etc. The various field of work for skilled manpower in refrigeration technology in Bangladesh are as follows: cold storage, ice factory, ice cream factory, fish preserver and fish processing plant, dairy farm, chemical storage, cigarette, chemical, rubber, soap, powder and cosmetic factories, jute and yarn mills, storage of electronics goods and office equipments, air conditions, auditoriums, cinema halls, multi-storage, commercial building, hospitals, banks, radio and TV centers, parliament building, etc. Any questions? You can find me at email address. Thank you for all. Thanks.